what I was really interested in was, how did this happen? Who was this person? As Wordsworth wrote in his poem, the child is father of the man. And it's the childhood that created him. And it's that episode that was before he was born, but all the things that happened throughout his childhood made him into the man that he became. And so he was now suddenly, this unusual situation was created where a child is going to be born to a kidnapped woman who is being held by strange people, the Mongols. They were not her people. And he already had another wife, her husband. He had a wife named Sochigo. He had at that time already one son. Later, he had another son with her. It was a very odd situation. And in fact, the father, Yasuke, wasn't even there when Temüjin was born. He was off fighting the Tatars. And during this campaign against the Tatars, he killed 2 Tatars. One of them was named Temüjin Uge, which is sort of person of iron, is what it means from the Turkic, but today a part of also Mongolian language. So he came back, he had a baby, and he decided to name him Temüjin, the person of iron, or Iron Man, we might call him.
After the man he killed.
After the man he killed. So he has a kidnapped mother. She's a second wife now, not a legal wife, but just a second kidnapped wife. And he's named for someone his father just killed. It was not an auspicious beginning. And in fact, just episode after episode in his childhood was inauspicious.